how to delete your Pinterest account easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete your Pinterest account fast and easy. So all what you have to do is go to pinterest.com and log into your account, and then go here to the top and click on this arrow, and then go down to settings. Now after you click it on the settings, go to account management right here. Now here you will find many options and you can delete your account from here. Just click delete account and click continue. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.